This violent storm is destroying everything in its path in the Caribbean right now, with winds over 150 miles an hour. In Puerto Rico, homes and businesses are being torn apart, neighborhoods swallowed by torrential rain. The island's governor says it is the most devastating storm in Puerto Rico's history. Thousands of people have been pushed into 500 shelters across the strike zone.
We have a lot of houses over here that are wooden, that are in flooded areas. Those houses had no chance.
The Puerto Rico and the San Juan that we knew yesterday is no longer there.
Well, the devastation is scattered across the Caribbean right now. St. Croix, Dominica, and Guadalupe ravaged by this monster storm. And for survivors to have a chance once the storm clears, officials say they will need help from the mainland. NBC4's Matt Edwards joins us live in the studio now with the story of how Ohio is helping out. Matt?
Ellie, I spent my morning talking to people in central Ohio with ties to that area. So many of them telling me that waiting to hear from friends and family is the hardest part. Meanwhile, other Ohioans are riding out the storm both by choice and by chance. For the third time this month, a massive hurricane barreling through the Caribbean, causing major damage and requiring major assistance.
This is the most activity the National USAR system has seen in such quick procession.
USAR, that's Urban Search and Rescue, and it's what sent Ohioan Jack Reel to Puerto Rico before the storm made landfall this morning. We were unable to reach Reel today as the island is without power. Schumann is his colleague.
This is very unique. We have never put people in this direct kind of danger in the history of the USAR system. The fact that Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands are what we call OCONUS, outside the continental United States. The ability to fly in after the hurricane goes by is somewhat delayed.
And so is the ability to fly out of the area. Westerville residents Jonathan and Courtney Hooper sending us this video from the Dominican Republic, where the couple is spending their honeymoon. They could not get a flight home and will have to ride out the storm in their boarded up hotel room. Ohio Task Force 1 says they're at the bottom of the rotating list on task forces around the country, so it's unlikely they'll send aid, although Jack Reel already down there. Meanwhile, they're prepared if necessary, and coming up at 6, we'll learn about a young woman waiting to hear from her parents in Puerto Rico as they brave out the storm today as well. Ellie?
All right, Matt, thank you. And you can count on NBC4.